Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Control Center. Swipe from the upper right corner or press the dedicated gesture. This puts controls in reach. Once visible, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth reflect the connections you expect, because toggles alter system behavior immediately. Now add the modules you need. Go to Settings, choose Control Center, then tap the plus icons for screen record, focus, or flashlight. Doing this first saves time later and makes advanced tools available without digging through menus. Once done adding modules, configure each control so it matches how you work. You should press and hold a tile for expanded options. For example, long pressing brightness gives night shift and true tone toggles. Make sure focus schedules and do not disturb modes are set to the hours you need, because that prevents interruptions. Drag tiles to reorder them so your most used controls sit at the top. This minimizes fumbling during quick tasks and keeps your workflow smooth. To finish, practice common actions so the gestures become second nature. Toggle Wi-Fi, start a recording, and enable focus to confirm outcomes. If a tile stops responding, go back to Settings, remove and re-add the module, then test. That often fixes configuration glitches. If problems persist, make sure your OS is up to date and perform a force restart. This clears transient issues. One key troubleshooting tip: reset Control Center layout before advanced steps, because it resolves most unresponsive tile problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.